my dear friends from media. First and foremost, I want to extend my congratulations to the people of Ladakh and of course the entire team of Health Department Leh for having a first ever advanced MRI machine here in S&M Hospital. This would have been not possible without the help of Airport Authority. So I must congratulate and I must extend my gratitude to the Airport Authority of India for extending support to install this MRI machine here in Ladakh through your CSR program. So once again I thank you, Malkit Sahab. And I also want to congratulate to the entire medical fraternity for having this MRI machine being installed in S&M Hospital. You all really deserve all the best and advanced equipments to be installed here in S&M Hospital. I know you have worked very hard in spite of lot of shortcomings, but you have delivered to the people of Ladakh, and your service till today is beyond any appreciation. So once again I really want to extend my appreciation to all of you on this occasion. And I wish now, since a machine like MRI has been installed, the maximum utilize of this machine can be done in coming days. There are some shortcomings still exist, but I'm sure in coming days we will be able to sort those things out. I've been told that we need to set up a proper faculty for the MRI machine to be operated to the maximum, to which I want to request Principal Secretary Kotwal Sahab, since he is also a health secretary, that we should as much as early as possible we should engage and we should set up these faculties. We should hire people through outsourcing, or we should send people for a training to operate this MRI machine smoothly in coming days. I think this is I've been told this is the precise diagnostic machine that can be ever possessed here in Leh. We used to have earlier X-ray machines and CT scans machines here in Leh, but the MRI is the most advanced and most precise diagnostic machines. So I'm sure this will definitely benefit the people of Ladakh here. We do remember, even for a small MRI test, at times people have to be sent and referred to Srinagar, Jammu and Delhi, and this was kind of a very hardship for the people of Ladakh, especially to the people who are underprivileged. For them, traveling to other parts and installing to other parts, going for an MRI test was something not so possible. Even thinking about going outside Ladakh was a very tough decision to be made. But thanks to my predecessor, the former CSE, and now he is the Member of Parliament, Mr. Jamyan Singh Namgyal. He actually initiated this MRI in 2019, and thereafter, once Mr. Gyal Wangyal he took over as a chairman, he initiated strongly the food steps been set by the Honorable CSC then Mr. Jamyang, and he pursued it successfully, and he managed to sign a MOU with the Airport Authority of India, to which I am thankful to both the former CSC for initiating this such a noble cause for the people of Ladakh. And today I have been lucky enough to finally inaugurate this machine and to dedicate to the people of Ladakh. So once again I congratulate the people of Ladakh. SNM Hospital have seen lot of ups and downs over the period, lot of challenges, manpower shortages, facilities were lacking, but still I think we sailed through successfully and we are here today. I think it is the sheer dedication of the entire medical fraternity, be it from the doctors to the paramedical staff. I think it is your contributions, and today the people of Leh is healthy and in a sound state of mind. I think in the days back when we were having a COVID crisis in Ladakh, I think in spite of lot of shortcomings, lot of issues, we successfully managed to handle the COVID crisis. I think manpower was the biggest challenge ever we faced here in Leh district. But I must congratulate to all of you, and I on behalf of the entire LHDC and the people of Ladakh want to extend my gratitude to the health department that you have done a tremendous job and you made us feel proud. I think we are in-depthly to the services you have offered to the people of Ladakh. I think installing this kind of machine or the earlier Honorable LG Saab, he inaugurated 120 bedded with oxygen facilities and other facilities, even the pediatric ICU. I think this would have been not possible had we not become a union territory today. I think we are a union territory today, and because of the union territory, we are being able to achieve the dream that we see. So I think it is because of the union territory we've been able to successfully installing this kind of machines and this converting SNM to a world-class hospital that we desire actually. And I'm sure in coming days, with the support of UT administrations and the forefront endurance of the Hill Council and the entire district administration, and of course our health department, we will definitely achieve and will make SNM Hospital one of the best hospital in the country. It is no doubt it is still the best in the country, but we will definitely make much better than what we are today. So I'm very sure in coming days we all will strive together to make our dreams come true, and we have the opportunity, and we are in union territory, and we can dream and fulfill our dream. So once again, on this occasion, I congratulate each and everyone who is involved into making this MRI machine, this MRI center successfully being installed and operationing since from today onwards. So I want to extend my gratitude to once again to the airport authority and of course UT administration, my former CACs in the council and district administrations, health department, and everyone. So once again I thank you all and congratulations to the people of Ladakh.